Hello, thank you for clicking on my YouTube video. My name is Courtney. If you're new here, I do videos of fashion, travel, and lifestyle. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today's video is a little bit different than what I typically do. It's a fun video. So actually today's video is in partnership with SHAPERMINT. If you're not new here, you would have heard me speak about SHAPERMINT before. Their website where you can buy really good and very good quality shapewear at a very affordable price. I've been wearing them, I want to say, for a couple of years now, and then in the last few months, I've actually partnered with them. So I'm excited to do this cute little video because it is the holiday season, right? It's a holiday season. Around this time is my favorite time of the year because things get a little chilly here. I'm from New York. I live in New York, so it's getting cold. So when it's chilly, I get the nice cozy feel. And then once Halloween kind of comes about, it's like, you know, a fun holiday, especially if you have kids. And even if you don't, sometimes if you get together with your friends, do a little costume party, it's just a fun time of year. And then Thanksgiving and Christmas and all the other holidays around this time rolls around. So it's just my favorite time of the year. So I received this box. I'm going to show you what is in it. It is a SHAPERMINT mystery box. So inside should be some of their key pieces that you can buy, whether it's shape shorts or like shapewear tank tops that help smooth everything out. You'd have seen that in a previous video, or their leggings, etc. So we're going to open this up, see what's in here, and there should be like you know those easy Halloween costumes, so like cat ear, bunny tail, a witch's hat, things like that, that you, if you wanted to celebrate but not go all out, it's a fun way to just get into the season. That should be in here as well. So like it says, it's a mystery box. We're going to find out what's in here together, and then I'll show you how you can use these very comfortable, very shape flattering basics that they sell, and you know, incorporate them into your Halloween looks. So without more talking, let's get right on into it. So again, here is the SHAPERMINT mystery box. It's such a cute box. I'll definitely be keeping this. I love to upcycle and recycle things, so I'll definitely be keeping this. So let's see what we have, and of course I'm going to try it on next to me so you can see. Ooh, okay. Looks like this year I'm gonna be a bunny. So I already have like 2 cat tails of different lengths and ears and a witch's hat. So I actually don't have bunny ears and a tail, so I really like this. So regular white bunny ears with a sparkly bushy white tail. Ooh, there's a cute little card in here. Let me put the box down for a second. It says, what does it say? It says, hop to it. You'll be hopping around Halloween in style and comfort. That's the key. We've gathered our best sellers paired with Halloween essentials to get you through the season. SHAPERMINT. Okay, well thank you, SHAPERMINT. I appreciate that. Because sometimes, even if I'm not really going all out, sometimes I want to, you know, wear a little something if I'm going to like a quick holiday, like Halloween party for work, and I could throw it on with my clothes, or if I'm just meeting some friends with drinks at their house or something. And you know, you just want to be in this spirit without getting all the way in. So this first item is the scoop neck cami. So all their things come in this nice Ziploc bag, which is great for travel. So I always save these for when I'm traveling to put my things in. So the scoop neck cami in this beige color. Ooh, and some really cute stickers. I do love good stickers. I am an avid, what do you call them? Not really a journaler, but I use my planner a lot for everything. If it's not in my planner, it don't happen. So I love adding stickers to my entries in my planner. So that's great. And this is the smoothing cami. I got the size extra large because if you would have seen in a previous video, I played myself one time sizing down, and it was extremely tight. Like I could wear it, but it was doing its job too well. So I usually wear an extra large in clothes, so I got the extra large, and I'll pop it on and you'll see me wearing it. See how it fits. So what I love about their camis, I already have 2 in white, 1 in black, is because one is like shapewear, so it has a material where it really holds you in and helps if you have like any rolls or any areas that needs some smoothing out. This will do it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see how you have the technology here on the side. that is really, you know, stretchy and to hold you in and just gives you that nice shape. You know what I'm talking about. So I'll try this on and show you. So I love that now I have it in beige, which, you know, you can never go wrong with a neutral color camisole. And then what else I have in here? I have the one of my favorite bras at the moment, like truly. This is the True Kind Daily Comfort Wire Free Shaper Bra. So like the title suggests, it is a shaper bra. It is wire free because sometimes I am sick of the pesky wires in my bra that sometimes stick me. Or sometimes I just want to be really comfortable. Like I want to be supported but also comfortable, so I don't want to have all the wire and the boning and all of that. So I have it in black, which I already had this in black, white, and beige. But I wear black the most, so I'm glad to have another one. Again, I have these size. This time I got a size large, so I have these in extra large. They fit great, but I did want one that was a little more snug for certain items. So this is the bra, as you can see. No wire. Very comfortable. Very comfortable, and it holds up its shape. It comes with, let me show you. Just in case you need a little extra strap width, it comes with this attachment, so you could attach it to the back and get a little extra width in the back, and this is what it looks like in the back, and I'll try this on as well. So it's nice and wide, covers what it needs to cover, holds in what it needs to hold in, very comfortable. 10 out of 10. I honestly, truly do recommend. I used to wear, I was gifted SHAPERMINT a very, very, very long time ago. And then I was hooked. So I just kept buying like mainly their shaper shorts to wear underneath my clothes for years. So that's why I was so happy to be able to partner with them now, because it's honestly a brand that I wear and I stand by. So I'm happy to have this, another one of these bras, because I wear a bra every day. So I could always use another black bra. Let me know in the comments if you are into like wireless bras as well, or do you prefer wire, or if you're open to having some that are wireless, if you know you just want to have those extra comfy days. Let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions about the bra, I can speak on it from my experience, like what I think about the bra, what I feel, etc. Ooh, what else? Dig on into this mystery box of goodies. So I have the tear-proof shaping tights. So it's as it says, tear-proof, which is great, because I think I've said in a previous video that I stopped buying tights for a while because I would always get a run in them. It's so annoying. I don't know how, but I do. So I love that this is tear-proof, and of course I have it in black because that's the color tights I would normally wear. So I wear tights a lot in the, I would say late fall into winter, because I go, excuse me, my voice cracked, because I go into work and I commute, but I also still like to wear my skirts a lot in the cooler weather. So I usually, sometimes I'll put leggings underneath, but sometimes it can be too thick, so I really do like to put this type of opaque tights underneath so I could get the extra layer over my skin and still wear my dresses and skirts to work, because I am a fan of dresses and skirts. So the top was very, very strong. I have this in a size extra large, as everything else. It's very strong, so it holds you in where it needs to hold you in. It's high waist. It's high waist, strong, tight. It does what it's supposed to do. So I actually think I could throw this on with the dress I have on now. You will be seeing it over next to me. I think this would be great to wear out, and I could toss it on with my bunny tail. We'll see how this fastens. And that could be one of my looks. Like I could wear this to work or to something after work, and I just pop on some ears, pop on the tail, and I am holiday ready. So that are this tights. Really love this. Definitely will be wearing this probably next week because the temperatures have really, really dropped. This week here in New York. And then I have one more item left in the bottom. Oh, I also like to wear it sometimes underneath my pants too in the dead of winter if I need extra layers. I have the high waist shaping leggings, and I have them in black. So I have this in like a green, a burgundy, and a dark navy blue, but the black has been sold out, so I'm so happy they're back in stock. I have the black in a large, and again, it's high-waisted. It's very long, so if you're a tall girl, they have you covered. Again, high-waisted, and has a very strong material here to hold in what needs to be held in. And what I love is on the inside, it has these grips, so that way it stays in place, and they actually do. I haven't had any issues with them rolling down or falling after long wear or after washing or any of that stuff. So I really do like that about this. And because it's black, I could wear these as pants. I mean, I wear the colors as well, but I could wear these as pants. I could wear them. I could probably throw this on with the bunny ears too. I could be a black and white bunny. We're going to try that. I'm going to show you it off to the side. Yeah, so I love something that looks like pants. I could wear it every day, casually or dressed up, and it's comfortable, and it has this shapewear technology, so it actually, it's you know, giving me the figure shape that I like while looking casual. So I really do like that. So that is the last item in here. So again, I'll be showing you off to the side how I can use these everyday basics during this Halloween season. Just, you know, fun little thing if you're looking for a quick and easy way to dress up, but also be comfortable, and obviously still use all these pieces in your everyday life because they are highly functional. And honestly, is it my favorite? Yeah, it's my favorite shapewear that I have. I have a couple of other pieces from other places, and I always reach, before I started partnering with them recently, I always reach for my SHAPERMINT Shaper shorts. I was going to say 90% of the time, but pretty much 100% of the time. The only time I don't is if they're in the laundry and I have no choice. So with that being said, love SHAPERMINT. I really appreciate this cute mystery box. I look forward to being a cute little bunny if I do anything this year, because, well, you already know. And yeah, that is all. So I hope this video was cute and fun. It's a little something different than what I usually do, but I just wanted to show you what I got and how you can easily get a quick holiday look. So I will see you next time in my next video. Have an amazing week. Bye.